What's going on, everybody? End of day, August 6, 2021. I spent the better part of my day working on a diode section of our basic electrical components. So if you don't know much about diodes and you're a member of the site Premium or Core, that is on the basic electrical component section. So check that out. I think it's pretty good stuff. Also, I got that other video up on the Nissan Pathfinder keys. So if you're a member of Core Premium, it's up there. Like I told you, I get it up there. So today started out pretty simple. Not much going on. I did a Ford transmission, solenoid and strategy on a 2011 F-150. Next, I did a key programming on a 2011 Chrysler 200. Guys, I used the AutoPad Pro. I'm going to throw a video up on the membership site of this as well. It was a very easy program. I tell you what, that AutoPad Pro, it gets in there and out of there fast. That tool just works. But it was very simple. Just duplicate a key, make a key, and program it. And then the last job of the day was a TCM on a 2008 Buick Enclave. That job was also a good job. It was a Dorman TCM unit, and I was kind of hesitant. Sometimes those don't work well, but this went through just fine, no problem. Got the job done. And after it was all said and done, they actually had 3 codes when we started. It was a loss of communication with the body control module and loss of communication with the ABS control module, and also a tap shift up and down circuit open. And this vehicle didn't have the tap shift up and down, so that's just showing you that Dorman's tossing in used modules or used parts. I don't know how to put it, but it's not a brand new used module. It's not properly wiped out. So once we programmed it, all those codes went away and everything was good. So that was my day in a nutshell. I hope everybody has a great day. Whew, excuse me, I'm still getting over that cold. You guys be sure to check out the membership site for those updates. Have a great day.